I have for you the 2022 Cult Beauty Advent Calendar. It's available now, and I've got the full spoilers. The calendar is $324.30 plus free U.S. shipping and expected to sell out fast. Last year's calendar sold out in 2 hours. Of course, if I do get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. Set to outshine every gift on your Christmas list. The Cult Beauty Advent Calendar 2022 is overflowing with 37 beauty favorites, including a whopping 14 full sizes, each carefully chosen to delight you throughout December. With appearances like from Augustus Bader, 111 Skin, The Inky List, and Youth to the People, this highly coveted calendar wraps at least a treat a day behind each door. Some are full to the brim, making the countdown to Christmas all the more exciting, though we know it may be tempting to dive straight into the calendar. They urge you to try and resist an immediate ransack. Instead, take your time exploring cult beauty icon hiding behind every door, particularly day 25, behind which you'll find six very special beauty finds, with stepping it up this notch in year 2, and a grand total of 3 golden tickets hidden within the calendars worth 1,000 cult beauty pounds. Each of the 3 lucky winners are in for the spree of a lifetime. It really is the most wonderful time of the year. This box includes 111 Skin Deluxe Size Oxygen Express Mask, 30 milliliters, Augustus Bader Discovery Size The Rich Cream, 15 milliliters, BioEssence Full Size Squalene and Copper Peptide Rapid Plumping Serum, 50 milliliters, Briogeo Travel Size by Be Gentle, Be Kind Avocado plus Kiwi Mega Moisture Superfood Hair Mask, 59 milliliters, BeautyAmaB full-size moisturizing gel cream, 50 milliliters, Charlotte Tilbury full-size bigger, brighter eyes in extra eyes, 5.2 grams, Color Wow travel size dream coat supernatural spray, 50 milliliters. Beauty full-size mulberry silk sleep mask in pink. Dr. Dennis Gross skincare travel size alpha beta pore perfecting and refining serum, 15 milliliters. Dr. Livy Switzerland full-size pollution shield, S5PF, that is 30 milliliters. Drunk Elephant travel size Bestie number 9 jelly cleanser, 60 milliliters. Pharmacy full size Honey Halo ultra hydrating ceramide moisturizer, 50 milliliters. Glow Recipe travel size watermelon glow niacinamide dew drops, 15 milliliters. Hair by Sam McKnight travel size Deeper Love Intense treatment mask, 50 milliliters. Hair Gain travel size Nourishing Miracle treatment hair mask, 50 milliliters. Hourglass travel size Caution Extreme lash mascara, 5.5 grams. Huda Beauty full size Power Bullet Cream Glow Sweet Nudes in Sweet Cheeks or Bossy Browns in Hustle, 3 grams. Hum Nutrition travel size hair sweet hair, 14 grams. Joe Loves Travel a home candle in Christmas tree, 70 grams. K18 travel size leave-in molecular repair hair mask, 5 milliliters. Laneige full-size lip sleeping mask in chocolate, 20 grams. Laura Mercier travel size pure canvas hydrating primer, 25 milliliters. Malin+goetz full-size dark rum perfume oil, 9 milliliters. Medigate travel size retinate intense, 15 milliliters. NIOD travel size multi-molecular hyaluronic complex, 15 milliliters. Pi Skincare travel size The Impossible Glow hyaluronic acid and highlighting drops in champagne, 10 milliliters. Rowan full size Row Glow skin stick in glazed, 8 grams. Sacagawea travel size scalp shampoo, 100 milliliters. Sacagawea travel size scalp conditioner, 100 milliliters. Sol de Janeiro travel size Born Dia Bright Cream, 75 milliliters. Sunday Riley Full Size CEO, 15% Vitamin C Brightening Serum, 30 milliliters. Super Goop Travel Size Unseen Sunscreen, SPF 30, 15 milliliters. The Inky List Full Size Polyglumatic Acid Serum, 30 milliliters. Virtue Deluxe Size Healing Oil, 9 milliliters. Youth to the People Full Size Antigen Deep Moisture Cream, 59 milliliters. Zealand's Travel Size Power D Fortifying and Restoring, 10 milliliters. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will see you soon. Bye.